Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, beauty and a lot more. And today we will be doing a Sarojini haul, as you must have read by the title. These are half of the things that I got. सब कुछ इस टैग पे पूरा नहीं आ रहा था. So guys, I recently went to Sarojini and I shopped my heart out. We got something for me, something for my mom, something for my bhabhi, and I got a lot of accessories, mask chains, footwear, bags, and back sections is my favorite. I also got a night suit which is very cute. So in this video I will be showing you all the products that I got and I will also be sharing all the prices. So if you are planning to go to Sarojini, this video will be very helpful. I'll tell you how to bargain and everything in the end of the video. So if you have never been to Sarojini, stay tuned till the end and let's start with the haul first. So guys, let's start with my favorite thing right here, which is this red cardigan which I'm already wearing. This is a very beautiful cardigan, has a little bit of buttons at the front. It's very super easy, comfortable, breezy outfit. I really like how the shoulder goes, like the shoulder is at the back. And I think I got this for 150 rupees. We'll do all the sweaters first and then we'll move on to the dresses. So the second sweater that I got is this right here. This is again a cardigan. I really like cardigans and I wanted to get a lot of them because these are very trendy. इस cardigan का नेक बहुत ज़्यादा deep है, so I'm not very comfortable wearing this. But I think I'll be wearing it open, like with a t-shirt inside or a spaghetti top. But this looks very gorgeous. It's very cute and the knit is really nice. As you can see, fabric quality is amazing. लाइक डेफिनेटली मैंने शॉपिंग इन सरोजनी ना बहुत, अब वहाँ पे ये मत सोचो कि 200 रुपये की चीज़ है तो ले लो. जस्ट टेक योर टाइम एंड फिगर आउट कि उसका क्वालिटी अच्छा है, आप पहनोगे नहीं पहनोगे, ओनली देन बाय इट. दिस वॉज अगेन फॉर 150 or 200. Okay guys, so this next sweater has to be one of my favorites. Reason being it's blue and I really like this, ruching on this. Like you can see in detail, it's very nice. The sweater is super warm. अभी इसको पहनने का मौसम नहीं आया, but I'm going to Manali, so I think I'm gonna take it. And yeah, so इसका बहुत ही प्यारा style है. It has a high neck, really like nice sleeves. This was again for 150 or 200. I exactly don't really remember exact prices. I remember an overview. Like all the sweaters mostly were for 150 or 200. So yeah. This sweater right here, this is again a cardigan. This does not fit me really nicely, but this fits my bhabhi real well, so I think she's gonna keep it. A style like very comfortable, easy to wear, everyday wear, again for 150 or 200. Okay, so the next sweater that I have right here is for 100 rupees. I clearly remember. So this is a white and grey sweater. It has some net lace right here and it looks very gorgeous. I've seen this kind of sweater on Aeropost sale and I think वहाँ पे 2,500-3,000 से कम का नहीं होगा. It's a really nice knit sweater. This is from Jaconic brand, New York. So you can see how good quality it is. And it looks very nice and it's very comfy, very easy breezy and can be worn anytime, anywhere. Next sweater is this one right here. इसको पहनते ही मेरे मुंह से words निकले थे, इसमें से तो आग निकल रही है. This is so warm. As you can see, मतलब इसको मैंने अभी पकड़ा है ना, मेरे हाथ भी गर्म हो रहे हैं. This is not to be worn in Chandigarh especially. मतलब चंडीगढ़ में तो इतनी ठंड पड़ती ही नहीं है. But this is something I would love to carry when I'm traveling up hills or maybe if somebody is going to Canada, वहाँ पे स्वेटर की जरूरत पड़ेगी because ये बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है. Again, the similar range. Okay, next up, one of my favorite sweaters, which is this right here. This is a very beautiful grey sweater. इसको पहनते भी ऐसे ही लग रहा था ये आग निकल रही है इसमें से. It's high neck. This you can't really wear in Chandigarh. मतलब ये इतना गर्म स्वेटर है, देख के आपको लग रहा होगा नॉर्मली तो है, but the knit is so warm. So guys, this sweater was for like 250-300. Much expensive than the other ones, but guys, this is worth it. Okay, you see, have a look at it. It's so warm and it's a grey, so it's a very basic one and ये सबके साथ जाएगा, so I got it. Now let's talk about the dresses. So basically I got 3 dresses. This one can be worn as a dress also and this one can also be worn on like stockings or even with these leather pants, they look great. So this is a very beautiful orange white, like it is white but it's so clean and it's so beautiful. I really liked it. मैंने ये थोड़े दिन पहले पहना था and I just loved it. So I got this. This was for 300 again. Next up, I already have my Christmas outfit sorted. As you can see, इसकी sleeves इसकी dress से ज़्यादा लंबी है, right? And this is a very very beautiful sleeve. Try on में आपको दिख रही होंगी इसकी sleeves कितनी ज़्यादा प्यारी और बड़ी सी हैं. I am definitely going to wear this on the Christmas this year. I think this is like triple or 4XL. Okay, no, this is XL only. But it has to be oversized, and I'm gonna wear it with a nice belt. I also got a belt, which I'll show you just in a while. This was again for, I guess, 300, 350, something on those lines. I've got one more dress. This is the most expensive dress that I got. Like, this was for 600. Bhaiya bargain ही नहीं कर रहे थे. He said for 1K, I said 400, and then we settled on 600. But this dress, you guys, I can easily, sport this to a party because the neckline is amazing. It also has pockets. It has a slit at the back. It's as sexy as you could imagine, and I am in love. This color is also something which I really didn't had. मेरे को पहले लगा था ये full length है, but this is like till my knees, and this looks so sexy. And इसमें ये मतलब ना body hugging है, but इसमें मैं मोटी नहीं लगती ज़्यादा. So that's a great point. So yeah. Okay, so those were all my dresses. I also got a kurta. Basically, my mom got this kurta. This was for again 350, I guess, and this is such a nice basic fabric. I am pretty sure ये 2-3 washes के बाद कुछ बचेगा नहीं इस कुर्ते का, but it's okay. 2-3 बार तो अच्छे से डल जाएगा. इसमें काफ़ी सुंदर यहाँ पे सिप्पी लगी हुई हैं. It's a very 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 beautiful kurta. I really like the color. इसको वो golden पजामी या प्लाजो के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. So it's time for the cutest thing. This is my pajama set that I got. It looks so cute and it is so comfy. It also has a hoodie. It has 2 pockets and a nice Mickey bunny face. I really really like it. This is so comfortable. This was for 800 and that shop was like a fixed price shop. वहाँ पे बिल्कुल bargaining हो नहीं रही थी. जितने का था उतने का ही था. And somebody later told me that वहाँ पे bathrobes भी मिलते हैं shop पे. And I was like shit, मैंने क्यों नहीं देखे. मैं बस जल्दी में I really like the night suit and I got it. इसमें काफ़ी सारे options थी, but this was the one I really loved, so I got this one. I've got 2 coats this time. This is the first one. This is a very nice red and white. I really didn't had anything red and white, and I love wearing blazers, so I thought this was a great steal. And this was again for like 500 only. It's very very warm. This is from a brand Marie Claire Paris, and looks great quality, and it's pretty warm and it's very stylish. This reminds me of Blair from Gossip Girl. I think I'm gonna rock this blazer a lot. It also has pockets, and iski pockets are stitched in, guys, so this is a brand new piece. I have to still open them. I also got a black full length blazer, which I'll pop a picture if I have right now, but that blazer has gone for steam press क्योंकि वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा crush था. So I wanted to get it really nicely pressed and then wear it. It's not at all warm, but it's like very stylish, like a trench coat, but not really a trench coat. Like a raincoat maybe, but it was just so classy, and it was all black, and I was like, get it, and that was again for 500 only. And now let's move on to the bottoms. So the first bottom we should be talking about are these leather pants right now, which I'm wearing right now. I think you can't really see them properly, but these fit me like a dream. These are so pretty, but the only problem I have with them is कि ये crush थी, because वहाँ पे crush करके आ जाता है सारा सामान. So I really don't know how to remove all the silver tape from this. This was again for like 500 rupees, but I think a leather pant for 500 is so worth it, because you cannot find a leather pant in 500 rupees. And talking about leather, I also got this leather skirt, which you have seen on my Instagram, I think. And this is a very beautiful leather skirt. So with the pants I was pretty sure they'll fit me, but with the skirt I was very skeptical. But skirt का ये अच्छा portion है कि ये जिसको जहाँ fit आए वो पहन सकते हैं. Like for me it fits me like on my upper waist, and for my bhabhi it fits on the exact right waist, so she can wear it as it is also, but I have to wear stockings because काफ़ी ऊपर बांधना पड़ता है मुझे. And it has a zip at the back, very good quality. This like color is so pretty, so I thought let's just get it. This was for 400 I think, or for 500, I'm not really sure. Next up I got these velvet pants, and these are more like joggers. Really can't wait to style them. ये वैसे बहुत सुंदर लग रहे थे, पर पहन के इतने नहीं जचे, but looked really nice, and I think I'm gonna wear them soon. I also have a hoodie of this color, so I think I can make a co-ord from this. So yeah. This was for 300. I just got it. निकलते निकलते end में मुझे ये दिख गया. I was like चलो चलो ले लेते हैं ये भी, because I really like velvet in winters and I think it's gonna look great. Next up, I got these beige pants. These were for me, but they don't really fit me well, so I think my bhabhi is gonna sport them. So these are like really nice quality, looks amazing, and you know the fit is really nice. It also has pockets, and I really wanted कि मुझे आ जाए, but you know जिसकी किस्मत में लिखा होता है उसी को मिलता है ये. So this is for my bhabhi. Looks really nice, very high waist and looks very formal, very beautiful. Guys, one last bottom wear and then we'll move on to the accessories. So I got this very pretty white plazo. इसका काफी ज़्यादा बड़ा घेरा है. Really liked it. I really can't wait to go to a trip like Udaipur, Jaipur, because वहाँ पे इसको crop top के साथ पहना कितना सुंदर लगेगा. It's very cottony. I can also pair it with a kurta or something. It also has lining, like shorts जितनी lining भी है. Like what else would you ask from in Sarojini? This was again for like 300-400. Okay guys, now let's move on to the bag. So this is the first one right here. It's a very beautiful bag. इसको मैंने देखा ना, मुझे इससे प्यार हो गया. इसमें एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा हैंडल भी है, and it also has a sling if you want to carry it like a sling. The quality is so good. Like look at it, so good. It has very nice stars. I really can't wait to wear it with a gorgeous suit, because ये किसी भी सूट को gorgeous बना देगा. This was for like 500, I think 500-600, and इसमें मैंने बहुत बार्गेनिंग करने की कोशिश की, पर भैया ने 500-600 से कम नहीं दिया था. I think 500 का ही था. So yeah, really like it. Guys, I also got socks which I totally forgot to show you. So ये मैंने 100 रुपए की 4 cute socks ली है. They're really cute and pretty. So these are the four that I got. Next up, I got this very beautiful bag. This was again for like 300 rupees. It's so pretty. Such a tiny bag. आजकल tiny bags ही चल रहे हैं. So this is how it looks like, and it has a scrunchie inside because I just carried this bag the other day. And go with Indian wear and Western wear. So really versatile. This bag is one of my favorite. It currently has my wallet and everything inside because I just carried it last night. This is so beautiful. It also has a sling if you want to carry it like a crossbody or like a sling. You can carry it like that as well. And have a look at the quality, you guys. It's so good. It opens like this, and it also has like one open compartment inside which has a lot of stuff right now. So this bag is like my favorite. When I saw it, I was like, I need to get it. And this was for I guess 500 or 600. I think I paid 1,000 for both of the bags. This one and this one right here. So this is like a miniature bag. This is like half my palm, like literally, like अगर handle cover करना है then it's like till my palm. इसमें कुछ खास आता नहीं है. It has one of my necklaces right now. That is how I lose my stuff. Like when I carry a bag, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ पड़ा रह जाता है, and then I am like कहाँ ढूंढूं, and then I have like 10,000 bags. I can't find my stuff. But this is such a cute miniature bag. I am in love with the color. Looks so cute, man. Like literally so cute. I also got this very gorgeous belt. Like it is a Gucci replica, but it has like very beautiful studs, and दूर से ऐसा लगता नहीं है Gucci. It just seems like 2 circles, and that's why I got it, because I'm not really fond of like replicas. जिस दिन लूँगी असली Gucci बेल्ट लूँगी, तब तक हम सरोजनी की गोल वाली बेल्ट से काम चला लेते हैं. Really good quality, and whenever I go to Sarojini, I make sure I get at least one of the belts, because these belts are so my style. Like I love everything with belts. Like you guys know that I love to wear like oversized clothes, and then I would like to put a belt around. So this was really much needed. Okay guys, now we're left with just the accessories and footwear. So the first earrings that I got are these very beautiful golden earrings. ये वाला style बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है. And I got a similar one in green as well. Both of these were like for 150 each. As you couldn't make it already, I am obsessed with this color. I also got these very beautiful flower wale earrings. Few days back, I wore this dress and I carried that miniature bag and these earrings. The dress looked super cute, and this was again for like 150 rupees. Just in case you thought I was over with that color, I got a bracelet of the same mint color. It's so gorgeous. Everything from this accessory shop costed me around like 150 per piece. This is so pretty. Really can't wait to wear this as well. अभी तो आपने सोच लिया होगा ना मेरा इस कलर का हो गया, but no, I got an Indian wear earrings as well in this color. Looks so nice. Next up, I got these very gorgeous hoops which have like lot of pearls and they look great with Indian wear. In fact, I wore a white suit एक दो दिन पहले. How come I forgot about these earrings? I would have worn these, but nonetheless, I'm gonna wear it super soon. And they are very lightweight, you know, like all the earrings that I have to be lightweight, otherwise I'll never buy them. Next up, I got these earrings. सरोजनी जाके बोहेमियन तो कुछ खरीदना ही होता है. So these are the earrings that I got. These are like very nice black and it have mirror work on them. Looks really nice. Really don't know what kind of outfit should be worn with this, but very excited to style these as well. These were a little expensive. They were for like 250 I guess, because you know इसमें सारा real mirror है. भैया I think said for 350, but I think मैंने 250 में ले लिया था. Next up, I got a couple of mask chains. You know ये pearls वाली बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही है आजकल. Then I also got this one right here. This also looks very gorgeous. Like it has all the colors you could imagine. So this will go with everything. Then I have this one right here. This will again go with like a lot of colors because it's very light. And I got these two. ये दो हैं मेरे पास. So yeah, I got these mask chains. Like they were all for like 100 each. And basically they weren't really for 100 each. मैंने एक जगह 200 रुपए की भैया दे रहे थे, तो I got 300 की दो. And then at a place I called 150 की दो. So average में ये सब मेरे को 100 per piece पड़ी हैं. So that's that. Next up, the only footwear that I got are these very beautiful nude transparent heels, and these are like super comfortable. They were for like just 300 rupees, and I was like, let's get it, because this is something you cannot go wrong with. This is something which will go with a lot of things. So I got these. The last thing I want to tell you guys is a phone case that I got. You know आजकल वो चल नहीं रहे जिसमें पीछे string attached होती है. I am really shooting on my phone right now, तो cover लगा हुआ है इसलिए I can't really show you, but I'll pop a picture right here. It's very gorgeous. It was again for 300. Average सामान का 300 ही है, right? And with that I'll end the video right here. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope ये बहुत लंबी नहीं बनी because I really wanted to keep it like very short and crisp. And now let me give you a little quick pointers about Sarojini. So if you're going to Sarojini, go on a weekday and not a weekend, because weekend पे बहुत ज़्यादा rush हो जाता है. And go in the first half of the day and just go and shop your heart out. And अगर आपको लग रहा है आपको 2000 रुपये खर्चना है तो आप 3 लेके जाओ, because you will be like अच्छा 100 रुपये में इतना कुछ मिल रहा है, ये भी ले लेती हूँ, ये भी ले लेती हूँ. So that's that. And one more thing which you should keep in mind is कि अगर भैया कुछ बोल रहे हैं that this is for 1000, at least say 400, then he'll come to 600 or 700. इतना bargain करना पड़ता है वहाँ. And there are a lot of fixed shops जहाँ पे ये इतने का ही मिलेगा. Like all the sweaters like that I got, they were like fixed prices. The bag वाला भैया was very stubborn. He wasn't bargaining. And the night suit that I got was also a fixed price shop. So बाकी की जगह आप कोशिश करो जितना ज़्यादा bargain कर सकते हो. And with that, I'll end the video right here. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I upload a lot of travel videos. I upload a lot of fashion content. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye guys. I love you so much.